I've been comparing Pipedrive and GoHighLevel throughout 2025, and here's my honest and unbiased review on which one might actually be better for your business. Pipedrive is a sales-focused CRM with a super intuitive visual pipeline that makes tracking deals and managing leads feel effortless. It's built for teams that want to automate follow-ups, keep everything in one place, and scale their process without complexity. It works great if you're running an active sales team and need features like workflow automation, email tracking, and robust reporting to stay on top of performance. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is more than just a CRM. It combines a massive contact database with automation, enrichment, and outreach tools. It's ideal for teams that need to find leads, send emails, and automate engagement through sequences, dialers, and CRM integrations. However, while GoHighLevel delivers on many fronts, users frequently point out concerns around customer support responsiveness, credit-based pricing confusion, and occasional data quality issues. So, if you're looking for a CRM that's simple, budget-friendly, and gets the basics right, Pipedrive is a great starting point. But if you're scaling and need more control, GoHighLevel is definitely the better long-term tool. I hope this comparison helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.